Step 1. Go to Amazon and click on the Best Sellers category. Step 2. Choose a product and click on it. Then click the eBay automation button. This will help you find dropshippers. Look for listings with similar images priced higher than on Amazon. These are likely dropshippers. Step 3. Click on the seller's icon to open their eBay seller page. Step 4. Click the Extract All Titles button to pull product titles from that seller. Wait until the extraction completes, then return to the eBay Search Results tab. Step 5. Repeat the process with more sellers. Click Extract All Titles on each seller's page until you've collected around 1,500 to 2,000 titles. Step 6. Once you've gathered enough titles, click on Filter Titles. Then click View Titles and copy all of them to your clipboard. Step 7. Open EcomSniper and go to the Product Hunter tool. Paste your copied titles into the title box or click the Import button. Then click Search Titles to pull matching products from Amazon. Once the search is complete, click Export and copy the product links. Step 8. Open the bulk lister in EcomSniper. Paste the links you just copied from Product Hunter. Set your thread count to 5 and click OptiList. EcomSniper will now begin listing these products to your eBay account. Step 9. Run the bulk lister for about 2 hours per day, then stop it by closing the tabs. You can always resume by clicking OptiList again. Final tip: stay consistent. Listing daily will build your store fast and help you reach your 3,000 item goal effectively.